The 1 rupee coin of Sri Lanka, as depicted in the image, has a history rooted in the evolution of the country's currency. Here's a brief overview. The Sri Lanka Rupee (LKR) was formally introduced in 1872, replacing the British pound at a rate of 1 rupee to 2 shillings and 3 pence. Before being named the Sri Lanka Rupee, it was known as the Ceylon Rupee, introduced during British colonial rule in 1869. A definitive decimal currency 1 rupee brass-plated steel coin with or alternate milled plus plain edge, first issued 2005 December 14. It was to circulate alongside the older coin which remained legal tender. Specifications: 1 rupee coin of Sri Lanka. Denomination: 1 rupee, alloy brass-plated steel, diameter 20.0 mm, thickness 1.7 mm, weight 3.65 grams, shape round, edge milled plus plain edge. Obverse: the armorial ensign of Sri Lanka within circle of dashes along periphery with raised rim. Reverse: a traditional Sinhala design using the pineapple motif. Value in big in Sinhala, and smaller in Tamil, and 1 rupee below and year of issue at the bottom. With traditional Sinhala Leovela art on either side and country name #Sri Lanka in Sinhala, centered on top. All within circle of dashes along periphery with raised rim. Year 2005. Issue 65 million coins. Year 2006. Issue 50 million coins. Year 2008. Issue 40 million coins. Year 2009. Issue 110 million coins. Year 2011. Issue 30 million coins. Year 2013. Issue 146,400,000 coins. Sri Lanka _01 2013 coin pack in 2005, 1,000 rupees only worth was packed in large polythene bags with a light yellow paper label encased on top with Sri Lanka, 1 rupee, 1,000 pieces, #### in 4 lines. A small white paper sticker gave total weight, date and time of production with operator and consec number ####. A commemorative 1 rupee Cupra nickel coin was issued by Central Bank of Sri Lanka for circulation in January 1992 on the 3rd anniversary of the induction of the Ranasinghe Premadasa as the 2nd executive president of the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. The Central Bank of Sri Lanka has issued commemorative coins and notes to mark various events since 1957. The 2005 1 rupee coin has a traditional Sinhala design on the reverse side that uses a pineapple motif. The coin also has the value in Sinhala and Tamil and the year of issue at the bottom. If you like the video, you will definitely like the video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this and subscribe to our channel to know more about the different currency of the world.